हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे आई एम हियर अगेन। आज ऑफ कोर्स आपका ऑप्शनल पेपर हो चुका है, जूलॉजी ऑप्शनल पेपर, राइट, यूपीएससी. So today we'll discuss about some of the very, good and important question which have already came in your paper. I'm not saying because I have discussed in this and that, but I literally want to say that the predictability or the weightage of the question as a faculty do, as a faculty does, right, as a faculty is, okay? So if you'll see that, okay, first of all, we'll discuss simply about your optional paper 1. Because why I'm discussing optional paper 1 today? Because one by one we'll discuss. Because in our batches, we are covering that your optional paper 1. Okay. So today we're going to discuss about optional paper 1. As the time will come, as we'll reach in our batches in your optional paper 2, as in batch we have started economic geology already. Okay, so we'll discuss up to that question only, ethology tak we'll discuss. Okay, and also show you that relevancy of that question, as I thought that maybe these question can come into examinations that have came into your papers. It's not because I have done that, but any faculty or any analysis, if any person will do that good analysis, that can predict not the whole, but of course, because we know that many questions repeats in your optional paper, right? And as specifically if we talk about the zoology optional paper, so of course we know many times the question repeats itself, right? So of course, look, so suppose that, not suppose, of course, so today we'll discuss a little bit about your optional. Okay, so your as we know the paper pattern is, your paper is divided into two sections, section 1 and section A and section B. In each section, the first question, that is question number 1 and question number 5, right? That is your compulsory questions. Each section has your 4 questions, है ना? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this one question is your compulsory. Wait, this first question is a compulsory with all its sub questions, right? With all its sub questions. So yes, first of all we'll see this, then we'll discuss about how many questions I have already actually discussed on your YouTube series. Class ki baat to we'll not even talking about, hai na? But even the test series I have provided, even most of the questions I have given in from that non-coordinated and coordinated question. Okay, so yes, metagenesis. Okay, so metagenesis, we have already talked about. Even not on the metagenesis, we have also talked about that metagenesis and your different stages. It's, है ना? Book lungs is your respiratory system of your arthropods. Okay, this is something I haven't discussed. Then pedomorphosis I have discussed, I think not before than 15 to 20 days ago. Pedomorphosis and neoteny in your YouTube, of course. Then torsion and detorsion and gastropod. This is one of the very good topic of the molluscas. Okay, so torsion and detorsion process in the gastropod, of course, I have discussed in the YouTube also. Then well-labeled diagram of the human eye, right, its function. Yes, this is one of the question that we can say this is a little bit unpredictable. It has not been come earlier into that 10 marker question, but okay, it's fine. Then describe the comparative anatomy of digestive system in vertebrate. In your caudate portion, there's a comparative anatomy portion, है ना? So there's a digestive system, there's a aortic arcs. Okay, so this question as we have already discussed. Then reproduction in sponges. In that question, this is the 15 marker. You have to describe both the sexual and the asexual reproduction. Okay, gemule formation and all. You have to elaborate the both thing. Then describe the general feature, distribution and social organization in termites. Okay, fine. So ये क्वेश्चन में these 4 question are already discussed on your YouTube, है ना? इसमें I am not sure, but of course I have elaborated this very well. Actually, I have elaborated the aortic arcs and the digestive system specifically in the comparative anatomy portion. Then reproduction in sponges, we have already done that. The reproduction we have done about the paramecium and the sponges both. Okay. So describe again the mechanism of parental care amphibians with the suitable example. I have done this in the class elaborated way. Pheretima posthuma, that's your earthworm. Okay, this is already mentioned in your Kotpal book, है ना? मतलब again this is something. Again, this is something a little bit, because in that annelids portion, most of the time if they're asking about that life cycle and all, mostly they ask about the Nereis and the Heteronereis. But yes, Pheretima is also one of the predictable question. Okay, then various mode of nutrition. This test series, or whoever the student have joined this test series, this question I have given in the test series also. Okay, okay, fine. So ये आपका first portion हो गया. Okay, if I'll try to relate section B, okay, section B is actually your unit second most of all, है ना? तो आपका fourth question में well level diagram of testes and ovaries discuss the function of their hormones. Okay, do not get confused कि ma'am this is the syllabus of your paper 2. No, actually when you cover that chordate portion, in that last chordate portion there is the testes and ovaries in mammal and discuss. Even the okay skull types and anapsida, diapsida, I'm not sure have I discussed on the YouTube or not, but I have discussed it elaborated form in the class also, है ना? The student who of course who have joined, they know that even we make that 5 types of skulls in that classroom also, and a diapsida and anapsida and a parapsida and all. Okay, then your okay, wait a minute. Okay, then explain the types and signification of migration in fishes. That is for sure I have discussed in the class and on the YouTube also, है ना? That is catadromus, anadromus. This is okay. So what you'll write in that 15 marker question, you will not going to write only about that catadromus and anadromus fishes. Again, you will write about the purpose of the migration. Then you'll write in 3 to 4 points. Then in that you will also write the significance of that. As we know our pattern of discussing the questions or discussing the topic, we do not discuss only about your body, but we also discuss about your introduction, then body, then conclusion, right? So 15 marker mein you are not going to write only about the catadromus and anadromus fishes. Do not forget it. Okay, the purpose, the kind of migration also, है ना? All of the form you'll, I mean the types of 3 types of on the basis of the energy requirement, है ना? One is very active, one is very gradual, one is very slow, है ना? So these type of content you will write. Okay, abhi we'll just see what are the content. We are not going to discuss the abhi in the section B because we haven't completed navigation birds, and of course we have discussed sickle cell anemia. Again, sickle cell anemia, I don't know, I mean I think this is one of the very the favorite topic of the UPSC. I have seen anthropology wala paper in the last. If you see the PYQs, है ना, you will see the sickle cell anemia will be coming to definitely, even if not in the IS, then it will go in the IFS. If not geology, if not in the geology, it will come into the anthropology. Okay, the sickle cell anemia, of course, this is completely your genetics topics, or you can relate with the evolution. Why this paper is coming, why this question is coming in that. So that means कि the topics are correlated. As we'll start the paper 2, we'll elaborate in that way also, है ना? कि आपके genetics का, then your genetics में you also cover the DNA, then you know cytology also cover DNA, RNA, then your biochemistry also cover your DNA, RNA, proteins and all, then your evolution you also cover that DNA, RNA, protein, है ना? Then mutation, then relate with that evolution process. So topics are correlated that. ठीक है? बायो ऑफ कोर्स आपका इकोलॉजी का टॉपिक है. एयर पोल्यूशन एवरीवन नोस, है ना? Pheromones we have done this. I think I'll provide the PDF of course for this because it is your 15 marker question, and basic we know the pheromones what it is about, but you have to write in an elaborated form. Okay, so DNA fingerprinting, it is again the topic of your proper paper 2, but of course इस बार देखो this type of question, suppose that if you have देखो there's a proper way to actually attempt the question, right? To attempt the paper. Of course all the questions are not compulsory. In that section when there you of course you are able to do that, first and 5 questions are compulsory, है ना? So in that section when you can attempt like these questions, है ना? आप fourth completely कर सकते हो, इसका type अगर आपने पढ़ा है, and of course I have discussed, ये आप ये question आप तीनों कर सकते हो. And if you are not even attempting fourth number, आप second वाला कर सकते हो और आप third वाला कर सकते हो. If you have covered properly, प्रोटो जो आपको पता है ये parental care amphibian, this is one of the basic topic. और अगर आप PYQ भी करोगे ना तो भी ये क्वेश्चन और ये क्वेश्चन आप बहुत इजीली करोगे. और एनालिट में अगर if of course when you are going to write about when you are going to write the mains, you have little bit, of course you are covering more than the syllabus also. ठीक है? देखो ये क्वेश्चन यू कैन, जैसे 7th वाला क्वेश्चन है दैट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. अब टी टेस्ट, मोस्टली टी टेस्ट और साइट टेस्ट दे हैव गिवन इन द पीवाईक्यूज इन दैट सेक्शन in the question 1 or 5 in that 10 marker, है ना? अब व्हाट इज स्टूडेंट टी टेस्ट, सिग्निफिकेंस है बायोलॉजिकल, राइट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ टी टेस्ट. सो इसमें अगेन आपका बायोस्टैटिक्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन से पूछा है. देन प्रिंसिपल इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फ्लोरेसेंस माइक्रोस्कोप, देन डिस्क्राइब द डिफरेंट, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन लाइक यू कैन लेफ्ट दिस 7th वाला क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, उधर से 2 कर लिया, इधर से या तो आप 6 वाला क्वेश्चन कर लो या फिर ये कर लो. जैसे दिस क्वेश्चन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू अटेम्प्ट. व्हाई? देखो इसमें क्या पूछा है, what do you mean by infectious and communicable disease? Okay, this is the first portion. Then mention the causative agent, means of spread of filaria, है ना. Filaria we have also discussed. This is not only about the topic of your non-cordate, but it is also topic of your economic geology, because when you cover the economic geology, there is a portion like malaria, AIDS and all, है ना. आपका malaria, you cover the plasmodium life cycle in the non-cordate portion also, and there also, है ना. So Filaria, Vaucheria, we have discussed the life cycle, है ना. वही आपका इसमें means of its spread. Also describe the symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and preventive measure of Filaria. Here you have to write a little bit societal portion also, like you can sum up with some kind of, this is not only the, again this is not only the non-cordate portion. So in that conclusion, again you start with that defining the infection and communicable disease in the introduction. Then in the body part you can differentiate your body part into these subheadings, है ना. And in the conclusion you can mention the steps or the required thing, है ना, steps taken by the government on what can be done and so on. ठीक है. उसके बाद कार्बन साइकिल एवरीवन नोस, है ना. बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल में भी कवर द गैसियस साइकिल एंड द सेडिमेंटरी साइकिल, ऑफ कोर्स. देन डिस्क्राइब द फिनोमेनन ऑफ द सेक्सुअल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड सेल्फिशनेस in a study animal behavior with a suitable example. So paper was good. It was not, I would not say ki very easy, and it is not very difficult, but yes it is like if we say the 50% difficult and 50% easy, so I would say it is around 70% was good, है ना. मतलब of course अगर आप कुछ questions को फिर मच और मतलब I will not even 70, 75% plus is much more doable. Okay, so now we'll see the question. Okay, Lotka Volterra we have explained. Krebs cycle अभी second paper है. Leishmania हटा दो. Mammalian dentition, glycolysis, okay fine. देखो Vaucheria we have discussed it, है ना. Vaucheria we have discussed, sorry, Vaucheria we have discussed. Then neoteny amphibians, when you open this slide, है ना, neoteny you will see that pedomorphosis we have also discussed. Then locomotion in fishes, है ना. Locomotion of fishes भी हमने अच्छे से cover किया है. Wait a minute. So in that thing we have covered locomotion in the body content. You can write, you actually, we have also discussed the concept is, what are the things you can cover named locomotion में we have covered everything. Wait, let it, you just see this. ये आपकी एक चैनल पे, आपकी बुट्टे साइज के चैनल पे, उसमें आपकी एक प्लेलिस्ट है, उसमें आपकी देखो. Then we have also covered the torsion process. Torsion process has also been came. So 1, 2, 3 question this here, है ना. अभी सेकंड पेपर तो हमने देखा नहीं. माइग्रेशन इन बर्ड्स, अगेन नेविगेशन एंड माइग्रेशन इन बर्ड्स, देखो दी वाला भी क्वेश्चन है. मेटाजेनेसिस इन लोबेलिया, अगेन 15, है ना. At least 8 to 9 questions are actually, even we haven't covered the whole syllabus, still you will see metagenesis. Even we have differentiate the metagenesis and alternation of generation, although it was only the 10 marker question, still you can see these. And it is not something I have elaborated in a very short form. I have elaborated in a very good form that you can write the good introduction with a good conclusion and a very good body content also. Okay, so yes, metagenesis we have differentiated. Then fasciola हटा दो. Porifera, reproduction in porifera, right, sponges, देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी आया हुआ है. और कितने क्वेश्चंस चाहिए भाई. Reproduction and paramecium, of course, body nutrition and protozoa, I'm not sure I have discussed or not, but yes, I don't think that I have discussed. I have actually dictated in the classical cell. Look, sickle cell anemia even I have discussed. अभी और क्या चाहिए, है ना. Sickle cell anemia we have also discussed. Again this is Krebs cycle, है ना. Okay, so we can come here again. So if you see even this the series, अगर आपने सीरीज भी देख के गए होते ये वाली, तो भी आप बहुत आराम से 9 to 10 questions अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट करते, with not average marking but also good marking. Okay, so yes, in the next class I think we're going to discuss about the paper second. Thank you until then, and keep hard working. Thank you.